So what do you guys think of my idea? Basically had this BMS sitting around for years actually. It's got big chunky balance resistors on it, and this is a 48 volt BMS, and I'm basically using it as a 24 volt. What I've done here is basically just ran the resistors right off the balance lead, and they're actually it's helping. As I can show you, if I can bring you up here, you can see that and bring you in focus. Well, hopefully you can see that. You can see the first one is 3.6, but when it hits 3.6.2, the resistors bleed it down to 1.5 or 3.5, and then it starts charging again. As you can see, the other cells are starting to catch up. So that basically that's what it is. It's just this charger's got really weak balance resistors in it, and you can pretty much just run them on the outside of the unit apparently, and it doesn't know the difference. So as soon as it hits 3.6 volts, it quickly bleeds it down and it starts charging again, because it doesn't stop charging because it's going into safe mode or whatever. As you can see, it's still charging the way it should be. So that works. I figured I'd share that. I just started doing it now. Don't ask me why. It just came to me and I was like, yeah, I'll try it out, see if it actually works, and it does. It's a joke. Later, guys. So as you can see, it is got a really nice balance function now. It will bring the charge up to 1 amp, and when each cell hits 3.6.2 volt, it drops back down, and it cycles and cycles, which it's supposed to be doing, but for some odd reason these chargers have really weak resistors in them, and it takes 2 days to charge. This is like, I can't believe how quickly it's charging right now. And these are huge cells that are 20 amp cells. So running an external BMS or bleeder resistors actually works pretty good. This charger has never been this busy after end of charge, and it's doing a good job of balancing.